This video tutorial I will explain HTTPS protocol. HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it is a secure version of standard HTTP protocol, and which is used for transferring data between your web browser and the websites you visit. HTTPS is designed to provide secure and encrypted connection, which ensure the data exchange between your web browser and the website remains confidential and protected from potential eavesdropping or tampering. Data encryption. When you visit a website using HTTPS protocol, the data exchange between your browser and the website is encrypted. This means even if someone intercepts the data, they won't be able to read it because it appears as scrambled code. Authentication. HTTPS also provides a way to verify the authenticity of the website you are visiting. When you connect a HTTPS enabled website, your browser checks the website's digital certificate. This certificate is issued by the trusted third party called Certificate Authority. If the certificate is valid and matches the website's domain, your browser knows the website is a legitimate website. Protection against data tampering. HTTPS ensure the data you send to the website or receive from the website has not been altered during the transit. If someone tries to tamper with the data, the encryption makes it nearly impossible for them to make meaningful changes. Trust and security. Seeing the padlock icon or HTTPS in the URL of the website indicates that your connection is secure. This helps build trust between users and the websites, especially when sensitive informations like login credentials or credit card details are involved. Here you can see HDFC Bank website. Double click on this address bar, and here you can see it starts with HTTPS colon double slash, and also it has a padlock symbol. So this website support HTTPS protocol, and the connection is secure connection. In summary, HTTPS is the technology that provides a secure and private way to browse the internet and transmit the data safely. It is especially crucial for protecting your personal and financial information when shopping online, logging into accounts, or sharing sensitive data. Always looks for HTTPS and padlock symbol in your web browser's address bar when you're dealing with the sensitive information online. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.